Life always was incredibly busy. Everything out there was growing fast. Fast-pacing cities, busy lifestyle, rushing people, crowded streets, hands-on work, fashion, cafes, entertainment, business and spirits. But the sudden outburst of novel coronavirus as a pandemic has brought entire world at stake. By pandemic, it looks like the nature is warning us, as if nature wants to say that there is still time to save the earth. It has frozen everything, as if a pause button has been pressed by nature. A huge economic recession. As per Sangeeta Reddy, President of Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industries,
Estimates show that India may be losing close to rupees 40,000 crore daily due to the national lockdown, with an estimated loss amounting to rupees 7 to 8 lakh crore during the past 21 days, said Sangeeta Reddy.
16 lakh crores loss for 40 days lockdown.
This necessitated an urgent relief package as it could result in close to 40 million organized jobs being lost during April to September 2020, Reddy added.
As per Geeta Gopinath, Economic Counselor and Director of the Research Department at the International Monetary Fund,
The economic slowdown in India had impacted global forecast by over 80%.
The Business Insider says roughly 16.8 million Americans have filed for unemployment in the last 3 weeks as coronavirus takes its toll on the economy.
World Travel and Tourism Council stated as many as 75 million travels and tourism jobs are at risk worldwide.
The working class includes organized and unorganized workforce, which is 54% of the total population. That is 74.52 crore people in India. 82% of this 54% workforce is unorganized, which is twice the organized sector. That is 61.10 crore people in India.
By Retailer Association of India, around 80,000 jobs are expected to be cut down due to the pandemic slowdown. More than 7 lakh jobs have been closed due to the novel coronavirus according to the data from the Department of Labour. RBI says it is a huge slowdown after 1929. IMF says 9 trillion loss in growth has been estimated during this lockdown. So what is the fate of these unorganized people?
There is a discussion in public domain that network marketing may become first choice of career in youth all across the world after this global economic slowdown. People say it may become a boon for all the middle class and lower middle class people in India.
The Business Insiders recently stated that the time of uncertainty and chaos has created an opportunity for direct sales companies, which rely on a network of distributors to recruit new sellers.
As it was assumed that the business volume till 2021 would touch 15,930 crores rupees. But post-pandemic scenario indicates just double of the estimated amount.
It's people who make the nation. And economy is for people, right? So for me, public health, food and nutrition comes first. It should be given priority before any discussion like economy.
Direct selling organizations can play a remarkable role in society in terms of nutrition and dietary supplements.
Do you know that there are a number of diet selling companies in India and some of them are working on the dietary food supplements? And I believe that in this way they can really be a great support to the ailing society and the public health as well.
An individual with compromised immunity is more prone to catch any disease. So immunity is a major factor to be considered.
There is only one solution, that is to provide adequate nutrition to the society.
Fertilizers and pesticides used in agricultural sector is a big concern today. It's a big threat for the public health. There's poison in food and the food is being consumed every day. It's producing thousands of cancer patients all around the world. But it's good that many organizations like direct selling companies are producing organic manure and natural fertilizers, and it's a good attempt which will provide us poison-free food for our children. So I think the society should appreciate this effort.
According to the data, around 4.2 million tons of urea is imported and consumed in India every year. And urea alone can be a reason behind a variety of diseases, which is a big concern and it cannot be denied.
Products like organic manure, food, dietary food supplements, nutraceuticals, spices and cosmetics make a huge market for network marketing in India. 2,319 crores rupees market every year is available if urea is replaced by organic manure. Direct selling companies have played a remarkable role in popularizing nutritious foods like spirulina, sea buckthorn, aloe vera, noni, tulsi drops, curcumina and many more.
Indian kitchen is full of spices and every single spice contributes a lot to human health. And I am happy that some organizations are working on it.
The value of Indian spices consumed in India was 2065 billion rupees in 2019 as published by Statista in January 2020. Experts say that kitchen products and spices market in India is like a hotcake for network marketing industry. And the cosmetic market size in India was 437.5 billion rupees. That is 43,750 crore rupees as published by Statista in 2020.
If even 10% of this market is grabbed by direct selling industries, it is 4,375 crore rupees and it can be a huge market. Indian nutraceuticals market is expected to grow from 306 billion to 1,377 billion rupees in 2025 as per Financial Express September 2018.
Grandview Research February 2020 says that the global dietary supplement market size was estimated at 9,431 billion rupees in 2019. People say in network marketing you can start your career with just 1,000 rupees or less than that. You have to buy one product from one network marketing company, and by following prescribed method of network marketing you can earn thousands of rupees weekly. I know many people, those who have started their career in network marketing by 5,000 rupees or less than that, and now they are earning 5 lakh rupees to 25 lakh rupees monthly. It has a huge market, it has a huge potential in network marketing. It is said that direct selling industry is becoming a first choice of income in youth all over the world. And it would find a new sky after the pandemic slowdown all across the globe.